ABB offers a complete range of services to support customers in all stages of the product's life: repair, substitutions, spare parts, retrofitting kits, and any type of maintenance activities. By integrating information with our customers, we can collect all requests for assistance and maintenance. In this way, our services are always immediate and of the highest level. Let's focus on our maintenance solutions. Preventive and predictive maintenance in order to maximize circuit breaker performance, increasing the reliability, safety, lifetime of switchgear, and reducing the total costs. Investing in prevention and prediction of failure, rather than living with its consequences, such as loss of production and possible violation of health and safety legislation, is a primary concern for many businesses. Successful prevention of failure can make the difference as to whether or not a company manages to retain its long-term competitiveness. Remote assistance for electrical systems that enables ABB experts to guide field operators, placing augmented reality instructions into their field of view, sharing images, videos and documents on their own devices such as smartphones, tablets, or supported wearables. Repair and reconditioning are suitable when ordinary maintenance is no longer sufficient. A complete overhaul of the electrical apparatus must be carried out in order to solve problems specifically connected with a particularly long or heavy use of the products. ABB can perform complete circuit breakers overhauls or reconditioning if necessary. To ensure that we perform our job efficiently and smoothly, specialized tools and equipment are used. On-site repairs and maintenance of circuit breakers. Our service teams are on call 24/7 to provide the support you need. Fast response to situations of emergency of active and non-active products is part of our DNA. Downtime can be expensive, so we have fully trained field service engineers ready to assist when failures occur. Our global network ensures a support to your site quickly, to analyze the root cause of the problem, determine the corrective actions needed, and carry out necessary rectification works. Thanks to our field engineers, who are highly specialized and equipped with the proper tools, we can grant you the best solution to your problem. We work hard in order to give the best service experience to our customers. This is the reason why we continuously develop new solutions to achieve customers' complete satisfaction.